Hello guys, welcome to Auntie Mira's Corner. Today I will be sharing with you another use of this ultra compact machine. Today we are going to be making fish pie. Okay guys, this is our dough. This is our fish pie dough that we have already made, and this is our stuff. I'm just going to show you how to use this compact machine to make fish pie easily. After rolling our dough, we place it on the machine and then we file in our stuff. And we cover it again with another layer of dough. And we trim out the excess. Our fish pie is ready. Fish pie is ready. It's looking very crunchy. This is our fish pie ready. Very crunchy on the outside and very tasty in the inside. Please, if you can lay hands on this machine, it's going to do you a whole lot of good. Thank you guys for watching.